Hello friends, in my previous video we did exercise 2.1 of chapter polynomials. Now I will tell you about the relationship between zeros and coefficients of a polynomial. So let's start. First one is linear polynomial. In general form, linear polynomial is ax plus b equals to 0. In this, b is constant and x is variable and its zeros is minus b upon a. Now I will explain you this by one example. 5x plus 10 equals to 0. First of all, we will find the value of x. Take 10 to next side. 5x equals to minus 10. We have to find the value of x. X equals to minus 10 upon 5. After solving this, we get x equals to minus 2. That is the zeros of linear polynomial 5x plus 10 equals to 0. Now we will compare this with the formula minus b upon a. So minus 2 equals to minus b upon a. The value of b from the equation 5x plus 10 is 10 and the value of a is 5. So we will keep here minus 10 upon 5. After solving this, we get minus 2 equals to minus 2. Second is quadratic polynomial. In general form, quadratic polynomial is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Here the variable is x and its degree is 2, so it is a quadratic polynomial. The coefficient of x square is a, the coefficient of x is b and c is the constant term. Now its degree is 2, so it has two zeros. Then sum of zeros, that means the sum of two zeros is minus b upon a. B is the coefficient of x and a is the coefficient of x square in the equation. Now the product of zeros equals to c upon a. C is the constant term and a is the coefficient of x square in the equation. Now I will explain you this by one example. X square minus 7x plus 12 equals to 0. We will solve this by splitting the middle term. Take two factors of 12 so that it becomes 7 when we will add or subtract that two factors. So we will take 4 and 3. X square minus 4x minus 3x plus 12 equals to 0. From the first two, we will take x common and in the bracket x minus 4. And from the last two, we will take 3 common and x minus 4 in the bracket equals to 0. Then x minus 3 and x minus 4 equals to 0. X minus 3 equals to 0. X minus 4 equals to 0. After solving this, we get the values of x as 3 and 4. Now we will use the formula. Sum of zeros equals to 3 plus 4 equals to minus b upon a. The value of b from the equation is 7 and the value of a from the equation is 1, the coefficient of x square. So we will keep the two values minus 7 and 1. After solving, we get 7 equals to 7. Product of zeros equals to 3 into 4 equals to c upon a. The value of c from the equation is 12 and the value of a is 1. After solving this, we get 12 equals to 12. Thank you.